In this video, we will see how to use the XPOL system from Geomax. XPOL is an hybrid system using a GNSS, in this case a Zenith 06 Pro, and a robotic total station. First, we check that we have the two profiles, the GNSS profile, in this case the Zenith 06 Pro and the Zoom 95. Zenith 06 is the ideal GNSS for this system since it's very light. Then we also check that we are working with a cartographic system, in this case UTM-32. To start to use XPOL, we start performing a free station using our total station profile. The free station will be done measuring control points. In this case, the control points are the points we are measuring with the GNSS receiver. So we start with the first point and we select to measure the control point with the Zenith 06. So we click on measure. Only the first time we select Zenith 06 Pro, the profile, the rover profile that we have in our list. Now the software is connecting to the instrument. Then we select the right GNSS elevation. In this case, we have to consider the height of the prism. Then, when the receiver is fixed, we can start to measure the first control point. XPAD will measure the point automatically with the GNSS receiver, then automatically will switch to the total station profile and will measure the same point using the total station. In this way, the software has available the point with the GNSS coordinate and the total station coordinate. You can see now from the video that the total station is rotating and searching for the prism. Now the prism is locked and automatically the software measured the first point with the total station. Now we can do the same for other points. So again, we select to measure the control point with the GNSS, instead of what normally do, that we select the point from the list of known coordinates. We press measure and the software automatically measures the second point, first using the GNSS receiver and then automatically with the robotic total station. In this case, the prism is still locked, so of course it will be faster to measure the point with the total station. And now you see we have the second pair. It's very fast, so normally we suggest to use 4 or 5 control points, so we have better residuals in the calculation. Only for this example, we are going to use only 3 points. Now we are measuring the third point, again before with the GNSS receiver and then with the robotic total station. Here we can see the residuals that are good, so we can accept the setup and we are ready to work with the XPOL. Using the XPOL in every application allows to work in the same coordinate system using GNSS and the total station. Now we are working, for example, with the total station, so we are measuring the prism, but we can, in every moment, we can click on the top right icon and switch to GPS. So depending on the condition, so for example, if I am covered and I don't see the total station, I can measure with the GPS. If I want points more accurate, I can change it, I can work with the total station. So in every moment I can change the instruments, the current instrument, but of course all the points are measured in the same coordinate system. Now also I'm using the Zenith 06 Pro, which has an IMU, so I have also the possibility to measure the points with the pole data. Another benefit is that If I lose the prism, so for example now I lost the lock of the prism, see now the status you see is unlocked, so I have the possibility to search the prism very fast, selecting the search by GNSS position. This type of search is very fast because the total station knows exactly my position at a centimeter level. So it's enough to click, and then in a couple of seconds the total station will rotate and lock the prism. And now, as we can see in the video, I can continue to measure points using the total station. So, as we have seen in the video, XPOL is an hybrid system using GNSS and total station.